You live now. Came back. Hopefully. Should rewrite this gang example. I have some dogs here. I should have that dog here. Let's add instructions, expressions. I don't think I need move. Just add binary. Add. And I need return. Add return. Do I have a value struct something? No. No, we'll only have an integer for now. We'll calculate size on the fly. I see integer and say unsigned. Yeah. Sign should be separate. Okay, so return. Wait. Right. This as a template. Return. Same thing for value. Also, it shouldn't be type, it should be self. Integer value. Let's say why my Rust analyzer just doesn't work. It says that right is a function. Like macros are blue. Music is too loud. I can't get it right. Okay, so I have some stuff here. Here's a function. The value is first. Okay, so body is just a block which has tail return. It will have build part for this. What is shared mode comments? Moderator comments. Oops up. Anywhere. all time. Yes, this should take module. Module. No, it's actually should be mutable. We'll see. I'll leave it immutable for now. And function, which is actually mutable function. This is a year function. Will return. I don't know. It will return a value, I guess. So I'll make something like self. They return. Build to return is an expression. I have build prepared here. Tests. We will have some tests. Build value. Don't actually know if I should keep this. What do I have in here? I have just value. I have a void type. So type is void, value is unit, right? I'll just say it exists. Unit, right? Yeah. Oh, it's not like a unit. Is a unit or should I say this? Not unit. Like this would be actually useful. I can do without it. Don't need this template. I can do without unit, but should I? Maybe I actually should keep it. Because I will have to return types. Oh, no unit. Oh, then type. Type can be void, value can't be unit. Okay, since this is IR, I can just return a value here. Impl build value. Is data value. Yeah, I'll have build. Also, probably mark some stuff. No, need to mark some stuff. Just copy. Type. Is type copyable? I don't think so. I have everything marked already. I haven't even checked sound. No, I have. Okay. What I'm doing is something like this. I couldn't find a similar page in English. So we'll follow this one. And there is also a page about calling conventions, which I wish I didn't have to bother about this. But since I'm making a compiler backend, I have to use expression of a module. In passing modules, since I will have to use some structs from it, for example. Functions, immutable function. Return just a build value. Without generics, the code looks easier. Okay, tuple can convert into unit type, which is special now, since I don't want tuple to hold, or like, don't even waste a byte here. Okay, I have some random stuff, literal, int, wait, int literal equals simple. Okay. Let's have a function sample push instruction turn. No, I don't need anything. I need just a value. So I need data as a function. Maybe I don't. Now I can just do this. Make value integer signed. I want to have the constructor. How much it which will return well, self. Right. Expected struct. Oh, I need self data. Okay, now I have a build function. Can't find value backend because I have module. Expected value from build value. It should be build value. All expressions, we use this. Return value, I'll just build the module and my new function. And I can make a build function .assembly. Push. For some reason standard library just doesn't analyze. It says like cannot find this root survey and somewhere here try installing Rust source the same way as you installed Rust C. Maybe if I like remove tren play.log, this should actually be useful. This actually should help, I think. In the meantime, I'll let the instruction return and it will take a value. I will only add return if I have a return type. I mean value. Value data. Well, this guys are just dead. Format code my menu. This, what would Rust analyzer do in Rust format? Return will just use data here. I hope stream is fine. Like I have Nix running, home manager running. I mean, it's not home manager, it's just Flakes, which requires quite a lot of computing power. And I'm streaming from laptop, which is I dreamed about streaming from laptop because I've tried once, it was terrible. This is a good laptop, but still not a gaming one. I'm running Hyperland on it. NixOS and Hyperland. I think Hyperland is actually faster than GNOME. Maybe not. It's faster than Windows. I feel like it's building. While it's... Oh, I can't. I need to wait while it's building. While it's building, let's just watch this coding.
Did not box it on this specific machine, so let's actually unzip this real quick.
Okay, I see it's slow. I don't... Oh, I think Nix develop and course one shows. I think this should in Syria install dependencies, no? Max jobs and course. Max jobs. One course one. Yes, that's right.
Right. So as you can see, we have Linux executables, Windows executables. As far as
It's still reading.
no, macOS executables are not shipped right now because something is probably not working there, but we're using Linux, so it's fine. There's also a lot of examples, and there is also like a pretty extensive tutorial on how to use different features of the language, though if I understand correctly, not everything is documented properly because, again, the language is not finished. And there is a lot of
It's like 50 file. Maybe
modules with different functionality and also a lot of different wrappers for different things, so which is actually kind of cool. So if we take a look at this kind of stuff, so maybe an example.
Also, I wonder why I got rid of OBS, please. No. OBS. Oh, why I got rid of this label? Some there's in some way overlays terrible.
But modules, right? So yeah, we have OpenGL bindings and stuff like that. The famous get wrecked.
I will have to do OpenGL, but I will have to do C integration, Rust integration.
So different hash. IMGUI. If you want to use IMGUI, you can have IMGUI, right? Why not? So mu hash, of course. Yeah, of course there is a mu hash. Objective-C, probably for metal stuff. I don't know, I never actually developed for macOS, so I don't really know how stuff works there. There's SDL, so if you want to use SDL, apparently you can do that. Simp, as far as I know, it's the like standard library SDL, like a competitor to SDL. Different STB stuff, right, STB image, like resize and write, they're available
ported C
here, if you want them. And yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here, like pretty much anything you want to use, like in multimedia.
These other classes. Maybe they're just dying. This is because oh, it's finished. Maybe I should replace this shell by something more optimized, like fish. Well, it's low. Should be fine. Well, is OBS. OBS just lagged and lost monitor? Am I fine? I should be fine now. I'm sorry. Something wrong. FPS, 22 FPS, 30 FPS. Still a lot. And I'm still losing frames. I'm losing all my frames. Why? Rust Analyzer, is it you? It's not even working. Rust. Stop. 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 99% of encoding lag. My CPU can't keep up. Do you have any? I don't have, but I hope. L-B. Big top. I don't know how to be top actually. Top. OBS looks fine. Wow, expensive. Memory, CPU. Can I sort by CPU? Oops. Like OBS is taking most of CPU now. A bit of expensive. Okay, hopefully it will be fine. 58 frames, 1000 frames. Okay, it looks fine now. Okay. I hope I will be able to limit Rust Analyzer. I just don't know how to do this. I need another shell or ZSH. I usually use sequence, whatever. Like qotd and like the clock. Run code. Fine. I don't actually need this shell. I need this shell. Oh, it will be fine because it already downloaded Rust. Latest. Okay, can I now start Rust Analyzer back? I hope stream won't crash. Is this a Nix stream now? Okay, starts. Let's see. Hopefully this will stay low. This is already burning. 1.2%, 2.3%, 3.9%. Stop! Stop! Stop growing. Okay, is it fine? Rust Analyzer just doesn't want to work. I think I need a Nix expert. Is this a Nix stream now? Much. This looks fine now. Rust Analyzer is still terrible. It's because it's if-let. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, I know what's the problem. I know. I've upgraded my Rust, so I need to remove target. To rebuild everything, no. I have to do this in all crates. I'm pretty sure if I do it here, it'll be fine. Limit. Right. Yeah. Please limit it to 1. So too slow. This dash J. Cargo build J1. Cargo Clippy J1. 79 crates, that's already a lot. And already broke macros. With lazy or unipod idents. Some lazy regex too. Scene, another scene. Scene v2, scene v1. Config if. Acho cores. What is this? 30 auto CV3, regex, automata, index map, scroll derive. I think it's hash something, hash brown, another hash, rustics, is it mix? I want to look up what is this. Multiple substring searching. Reminds me of something. A library for finding appearances of many patterns at once with SteamD. Goblin. What do you mean, Goblin? What library uses Goblin? Is it whatever? Oh, great. Fairy. How we pronounce it? Is Fairy use Does Fairy use Goblin? Like if you can write stuff with Goblin, then I don't really need this library. Yes. And scroll and index map. I still use it probably. Let's search Goblin. Container, march, header. Yeah. What output elf format encountered error from Goblin crate. I still use the crate. It's too nice. And they have some errors because it is not visible. And they also want run Clippy in case it will have to recompile everything. Yes. So I'm back watching his coding.
It's there. Like, it's not completely finished, but it's like kind of a standard library.
I'm looking at my second monitor and I see flashy thing. I just can't see it.
It's kind of cool. Right. Anyway, so yeah, let's try to write like a hello world, right? So let's do hello jar. No, not jar. It's not Java. Hello jar.
Would you write Java in jar? Writing archive with just characters and putting those class files.
Right, so if I remember correctly, right, so the main function is main, right? And then you sort of say that it's sort of compile time equals, right? If I remember correctly, double colon is sort of like a compile time equals. And then you define...
You just set a function. You just set a variable to have a function. Imagine defining your main with macros.
like a lambda function. So I think this is how roughly the syntax looks like, but I'm not 100% sure. And then you can do print, right? So you can say print and you can say hello world, and that should work. But as far as I know, it's not going to work because you need to include print from somewhere. Right, so let's actually give it a try. So I'm going to do join bin.
Well, having print and prelude is good. At the same time, having print in the package is good.
Linux, and let me try to build this entire thing. So as you can see, yeah, so print is not defined. I don't really remember where...
Helping? Where is help? Help include like standard input output. It's build. Can I run Rust Analyzer now? Still errors? Why? Okay, fine. What it complained about?
where it is defined, we can go into the modules, and I think it's defined in basics, but I want to try one cool thing. Right, so what if I search for print double colon? So I saw that trick in the one lives left stream. So he suggested, like, if you want to find the definition of a function in this language, you can just like grep for the name of the function colon, and that way you can find all of the definitions quite quickly, and there you go. So print is basically located in
format. I wonder if it uses C formatting or Rust-like thing.
basics, basically located in basics. Alright, so, and if I remember correctly, you just import these things, so you say basic.
Oh, why? Why would you use this style include, but replace include with import? Never saw that.
Right, so if
And you importing a module and you putting it inside call. I mean, what?
I try to, I want you to compile it. Alright, so there we go. Semicolon is required, okay, sure.
You putting the semicolon after compiling, right? I guess this language is like very generic, and this means compile time, this means compile time. It's actually a good thing. Okay, we have this failed to resolve build values because I need to import it. Or not to import, actually import it. Maybe I will use it frequently. Okay, mismatched types. Also, can you just a quick check for future? I'm not distracting. It's required for a language. Can I just do this? Even with Emerald C? No. Why? Another message. What? Failed to find an implementation. Okay, this is a C problem. This is for this compiler. I just use nightly, for example. Oh my god, can I return it? Yes. Oh no, this is terrible. Have anyone ever done this? Guys, like, why? I panic. Okay, stop distracting. Go back. Use this and keep them see now. No. Okay, mismatch types option on build value. Like adoption of a value. What do you mean? Certain build value. Mismatch types expected enum option of a value. So actually can do this. It will be better, but why? Oh, I put this data here. Why it says that it's fine. Turn value, I'll just make it data and put it here. I'll do type checking later. This later is just never. Module function. Yeah, you have a function, an empty function. What do I have in str? I think a lot of stuff. First, I'll look only at 5. At least 5. It's because I'm not even outputting instructions. Not even outputting function body. Yeah, why? Instruction in self assembly Personalizer just doesn't work. Work here. I'll write and I'll write this like that. 2, 3, 4. Indentation matters. Instruction. Like if Rust Analyzer was okay, this would be as it's called. Line 2, what is illustrate output in instructions. Return 5, and I forget about UI here. Don't like forget. Oh, right to land. And there is a warning for this, but there isn't a quick fix. Why? 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 Okay, so there is a main function now. Let's quickly get some other things done, like binary OP of a value and binary operation. This would be useful instead of having like 1,000 instructions for add, subtract. I will have this, and I will represent in AST with this enum operations, and porting binary operations to intermediate representation will be piece of cake. This is how you say this in English. You have return. Rationalizer is dumb. Here it's totally dumb. You'll say OP. Also I need huge size output, I think. Huge size will be output, and value will be allocated use size. Okay, I need to do some formatting. Target the left hand side, the right hand side, and I will format this in maybe a little weird way. Like, I'm kinda taking inspiration from LLVM. This is even worse. This is even low level here. It contains data type in operation. Maybe I should do this. I don't know. Maybe I do mul and take something like this. Like, I wonder having, like, why would you put type here? It came in a million type checks. So binary operation. This will be a target, which is like you put percent sign, like hash, like dollar sign, like add, or just put target because it's left hand side. I'll put I don't know. I like hashes. Maybe. And also, should I do like this or with characters? Because having names, maybe. Maybe I should have left hand side operation, right hand side and operation is characters. Maybe no. Let's not invent the wheel and just take inspiration from LVM. That's my goal. This project. Left hand side, right hand side. This is a little hard to understand. Wow, all here. This is a little hard to understand with also signs. This is even worse. Like, why would you have add here? Why would you have this here? No. instantly taken operation. Take this and I can hit value here. Also I can hit here. Binary operation sets first located index. Take a right. Percent sign index. I'll take this. Wrong way. Still. Okay. And last one is same thing for binary operation, which will be add now. I'll make add into add, and everything else will be to do. I think there is a VS Code extension here. I'll add 5+2 for example here, and this will actually produce an error because I don't have a build. Yeah, not yet implemented here. How is it stored? Left hand side. The right hand side will do like higher. It would be helped if I add something like this binary OP and add like allocated does that just have bit fields rust? There's the crate for that as always, of course. I want to look at it here. Yield with bit set actually. No, that's not what I mean. It's that. Interface adapted. Source bits that bits vector view 64 and bit default bit count. Oh, it's all function. Where is the public API? Here it is. Hume with capacity. It's fun. From unsigned 64. Simple from x64. Count. Any unset set bit reset flip all. Wait, why is this an exclamation mark? It's wrong. It's just wrong. This should be where it can be this operator. This operator is for bitwise inverse. Like bitwise no. Yes, the bad crate. Let's just say no standard compatible, SIMD optimized. A fancy thing. I need just a bit vector. Maybe, probably. Bit vector new, and we already specify capacity. Why? Should I just use vector bools? Rust is not like C++. Rust don't optimize. What this contains? Big T. What is in big vector? Lib Rust C data structures, bit vector, yes. Rust bit vector. Library portable bit spec. What is a bit vec? Maybe I just don't know. A crate for managing memory bit by bit. Where is bit? Where is description? Okay. Standard bit set, and this is what I need. This is what I need. I just need to push a boolean, maybe set one false. I need not quite memory. I need an allocator. Bit array, bits. Oh no, MSB, LSB. It doesn't really matter. Unsigned integers, color array, stuff, view bits. MSB, MSB. Split at mute. Wow. But not A, B, C, and D own enable. Don't know. Okay, there is that. This is good. This is what I need. Is there a push? Is there a push? I need bit back. This. C docs. Push. Okay, so there is a bit back. Append a single bit to the vector, right? And I can push and I can set to false. This is all I need. This might be it's not all I need. I need an index of first of first 0 actually. Find yield equals any. Is there at least any? It's slice. Of course there is. Is there search select? What is select? Sorry if you hear noises in the background. Search find. What I need, like there is something like qotd and C++ and in count in trailing. Fine, why there is no search? I just need search. I need to find first one. I mean first 0 actually. And this is just a function for that? Wow. Wow. Okay, so this is none. It's 1 for 0 is none. Bits of 1 0. Okay, this is exactly what I need. Let's just add it. Argo add. And I need to add it here. Standard third stuff. Really. Just don't need this. Allocated, so allocated will be a bit vague. Finally. A bit vague of T. Is there a default? Just want a default. Can I add a debug? Oh, there's no debug, skip. Doc TU size OLSB 0. That doesn't matter for me. Like, I'm worrying about those stuff. Like allocate. It will be fine. I hope. I really hope it will be fine. Why am I modifying binary operation? Just for fun. Allocate just a bit vacuum. This looks fine actually. Okay, make binary operation take. What does it take? No, not name. It does make like binary operation value and bind value. OP. Binary operation. Left hand side. Value. Binary operation. Remove this to the left. It's an IR. Side value. This will just modify self. This will return nothing. No, this will return a I want pre-compute it or something. Optimization's another topic. This file gets kinda long. So it's just an instruction, binary operation, SL 8. I will implement this function a little bit later. Let us out self allocate of mutable reference mutable IR function. This is not the best idea. Like, I would have to move stuff around. Okay, just allocate. Now, no, return. It's Rust. Why would they return this? Okay, OP, left hand side, right hand side. And this will be self assembly. I think I don't like when I will have I don't like that I can optimize this right away, and I'm not doing it because I will have for example a LED binding, not even LED, just assignment. I will know the target, but I will still do allocation just for that. It should be kinda. I can like deallocate it, but it will be no. It's just an unsafe idea. It will go bad quickly. I will have a variable separate here. Okay, so allocate. Now do this, but I want to split it up. Just don't type IR. I'll make a mod. Oh, this is mod. This is just mod rs. This file belongs here, and I want like the module levels. Comment instruction rs, for example, which will contain what this type and binary operation. It contains this all. I'll just add a public use int public mode instruction, not public, just mode instruction. I'll make it public by doing public use instruction star everything, anything private, like here, basically private. I lost my thought. I need to move. I think I need to move out. I hope Rust will load this. Don't they use Superstar? Yes. Getting distracted in the background. Duplicate definition because it won't set here. Okay, I need allocate. Allocate will be here. Even here. Public. Should it be public? Should it be public? I think yeah, why not? Like allocating variables. View itself. I just lost everything in function here. I need use size, return type. Self allocated. First, where the 0 is in bit slice. First, first 0. Yeah, why Rust Analyzer just weird. Like, do I have to enable some feature for this? Wrap on wrap or Rust Analyzer just doesn't work. Self allocated push through and cell allocated size and expected use size for closure and wrap or Rust Analyzer just can't handle this. Rust on or else. Okay, this should be it. Now binary operation. I'll return a function that this was leg. Just this. Don't need anything else. Actually need build value data wrapper. Okay, this should be it. What else? Arguments of incorrect type, because I need to build those. Left hand side is a Y box module function. Right hand side 2. An hour and 10 minutes. They did nothing. Literally. Well, I generated a return statement. What's wrong? This is because I need type checking here. No. That's outside. Okay, copied it and then I do this. That right hand side equals, and I do this. Then I match testable side and reveal it. Field value data left hand side. Field value. Just do s. Let's just do s data here and s data here, and just quickly right hand side, and this will be to do type check. It's only used for recursion. This is fun now. Ignore this rest. Wow, only one warning. Only one warning. Yeah. Okay, and I have it's dumb mistake again. Why? So much. Big hours function. Instruction, where's function? Here it is. Right LM. Okay, let's see our IR. Oh yes, this is what I want. That's exactly what I want. And I'll need type checking. Let's just quickly implement. First I'll make a test case for this. Left. Compilation error. Compiled with errors. Wait, why? I don't have shift and Lexer? It's weird. Yeah, I don't have those. That's fine. Because comparison isn't here. Let's try something else, like bitwise XOR. Okay, this is an error I expected. And this is just it. Okay, can I just build then create zones by itself and make those right. RAM and so I'll call this land lore Left, right. Wonder like LLVMIR. So I'll need drop. I'll do this later. LLVMIR. Operations. LVM language reference manual. Let's see. Okay, so add F, add sub F sub move qt WSD FD view RAM. Okay, it uses RAM SH. Yes. What about bitwise speed? Left shift right. What function? XOR and what about land? I saw land. No, it's wrong. And just see other ends here. 1,000. Oh, more than 1,000. Okay, this is more like it. This end, this end, this kind of end. Wrong kind of end. Okay, this is a bit wise. Where is logical operations? This is just not here. I think it's just not here. Okay, my air. I'll do whatever I want. It will be a land and lore. Okay, have a multiply, add, and XOR. Theoretically, I should reuse one here and reuse two. I mean, one here. That's what I'll do. Now quickly load rest IR. Over here. Instruction. Allocate. I have allocate. Now I need drop. Right. We'll take allocated SU size. Self allocated dots set allocated to false. How does set work? That has to message. Doesn't want so I will drop much down the left side. Just if let you allocated left hand side plus left hand side. This move maybe I just drop left or just allocated. I'll call this allocated. This right hand side. I'll drop it before I apply operation. Because why not? Like I know they store it, but if I want I can use it. Panic. Index 1 out of range. Because I should return landline. Just completely missed this part. Okay. And I only use 0. First multiplies and adds and XOR. So this is now efficient, right? Can I do this? small test, like this should allocate more. Yes, this is right. This is right. Now it should be working. Let's just commit -m ir expressions. Just expressions. It's ir dash expressions, which I need to commit it here and everything. Their expressions push here. Now I'm gonna show you my password. Alright, okay. What is this error? Like normally when I type, it just when I type half of what I type, I mean when I type half of my password, it just starts to enumerate objects and push them and does it successfully. Maybe I just slow today. Okay, pushed it. I think this is time for end. I could stream a lot longer, and I think this is a productive stream, but not. Fortunately, no one chatted. Chat is a little boring today. So it's time to end. What is my air condition? Probably artificial, hopefully intelligent. What does it mean? It's not what I want. I want this. Which set? Is there anyone doing Rust? No one. Maybe Rust lang. Okay, someone else. Yours. What's here? Building more into package management. Helix, Village, Rust. That's nice. Don't know what they're doing. Maybe a compiler. No, it's only me. Maybe mix. Maybe mix this. Just try some stuff. Okay, low to high. Keep this. Live 24/7. I'm here. Yes. Okay, let's just read this one. Dropped my microphone. Hopefully I'm still alive. I saw sociable Steve. I saw this nickname, I think. Straight. Yay. One viewer that is still watching me right now. Probably fake. Hopefully not. Thanks for sticking out. Have a nice day. All that kind of stuff. Bye.